this is Michael from Nonstop Coding Tutorial, and in this video I'll show you how to use Teal and orange filters that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So here, as you can see, I have my Google Play Store up and running. So in here, search in Teal. Alright, so here it is, Teal and orange filters. Alright, before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. So these are the things that you can do with this app. You can put filters, like in this example. You also have the option to adjust the contrast, sharpen, clarity, warmth, and so on. There, the balance as well. Alright, let's go back and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just want to let you know that Teal is a free minimalistic photo editor with a set of the best cinematic filters that will make your photos pop and look professional with no effort. So the main features available for this app: it has 60 plus teal and orange filters and presets. Save photos in the original resolution, depends on your device. You can quickly share your photo on Instagram or social media. You can crop pictures with the aspect ratio settings, predefined aspect ratios for your Instagram posts and stories, standing clarity setting to amplify the texture and details of your photos. You can work faster than most of the modern photo editors on Android. Unique single and dual color tone filters, vintage filters for film color grading. The video filters and video editing are now available in this beta mode. In addition to that, you can use the essential image adjustment tools to fine-tune your photos, like contrast, sharpen, clarity, exposure, vibrance, saturation, warmth. So Teal has a range of presets to suit any subject or lighting scenario, whether it's your majestic cat, it's your best free photography app companion. Alright, it's done. Let's go ahead and open it. Alright, so we are now in the dashboard of Teal and orange filters, and as you can see, we have two options here: open photo and open video beta. So video filters and video editing is now available in this application, the open video beta. So you can apply filters to your videos in a single tap. Let's go ahead and try that. So tap it, and okay, I have this one video as my example. Okay, let's try this one. So as you can see, you might not be able to see the difference, but when you tap a filter, you will see the difference. So as you can see, the color has changed, balance, color. So there's a lot of options in here that you can choose from. So just need to tap it. You can play the video again if you want to. There, it's like brightness, warm. One is where you can save or share it. Once you're done editing, you can save it to your phone or share it to your social media. So that's for the open beta. Let's try now the open photo. All right, and this time we'll try this Jackie Chan's photo, this one. So this is the original photo. By the way, you can tap the categories and you will see all of these options. So there's a pro. If you're on the pro version, there you can tap it to see what this filter is all about. So pro, Teal. If you're using the free version, you might not be able to see the pro in here in this list.